Before your liver fails, it warns you. Inflammation rises, oxidative stress climbs, enzymes begin to leak into the bloodstream, and most people never notice until damage is already underway. But there is a leaf, Tamarindus indica, that interrupts that downward spiral at the biochemical level, long before symptoms appear. Most people know the fruit. They use it in sauces, candies, and drinks. But the leaves? They hold compounds that step directly into the early stages of liver damage and stop the cascade that leads to fibrosis and cell death. Listen to what the science shows. When researchers gave animals paracetamol, one of the fastest ways to induce acute liver injury, the liver enzymes shot up. ALT, AST, ALP. All markers of cellular destruction. But the group that received tamarind leaf decoction didn't follow that pattern. Their enzymes stayed near normal. Their liver cells remained intact under the microscope. And their antioxidant systems, SOD, Catalase, Glutathione, were restored rather than depleted. That means the leaves aren't masking symptoms, they're preserving tissue. Another study used the ethyl acetate fraction of the leaves during prenatal exposure to aluminum toxicity, an insult known to cause oxidative liver damage in offspring. The results were the same. Less inflammation, less lipid peroxidation, better liver architecture, and a complete normalization of biochemical markers. Put simply, the leaves prevented generational liver injury at the root. Why do they work this way? Because tamarind leaves are chemically dense. They're filled with catechins, quercetin derivatives, procyanidins, and organic acids that act on two critical pathways. Pathway 1, oxidative stress control. They shut down the chain reactions that destroy hepatocytes. They neutralize free radicals. And they restore the enzymes responsible for keeping liver tissue stable under stress. Pathway 2, inflammatory regulation studies show the leaves decrease IL-6, one of the cytokines that drives liver degeneration. They reduce COX activity, and they elevate IL-10, pushing the hepatic environment toward repair instead of collapse. That combination, antioxidant restoration plus inflammatory modulation, is the exact biochemical signature you see in liver protective botanicals. But tamarind leaves go further. In diabetic liver models, they don't just protect the tissue, they correct the metabolic environment that causes fatty liver in the first place. Blood glucose drops, lipid profiles improve, triglycerides fall, and oxidative stress decreases across the entire hepatobiliary system. This is why traditional medicine has used tamarind leaves for jaundice, liver heat, and digestive stagnation for generations. Modern research finally explains why those uses were so effective. The leaves alter the actual processes that lead to liver injury, not downstream, but at the source. Most people look for liver support in pills, powders, or patented extracts. Few realize that one of the most potent hepatoprotective plants is already growing across the tropics and subtropics. Eaten as a vegetable, brewed as a decoction, and clinically validated in multiple liver injury models. Tamarind leaves, Tamarindus indica, aren't folklore. They're liver pharmacology in botanical form. And the science is only getting stronger. If you found this video valuable, share it with your